Welcome here to the class about planimeter and some important topics for the College Service Commission and School Service Commission viva. When we are going to done the area measurement, then we have to know about the constructions of planimeters that provide the actual area. Here I am presenting the planimeter in different parts. Here, this is called the planimeter parts of tracing pin. Here, by this pin, we are tracing the area from the initial to final measurements. Here, just focus on this dial. This is a circular dial. It provides the actual values of reading of initial and deformation facts. This is the vernier sections. Here, we know that is a vernier that is the 100 divisions and the small rooted vernier that is divided in 1000 divisions. Here we also observing that is the tracings valves. It's called the tracings identifications points, that here the arms that use to trace the area by this pen. Here we know the sections of planimeters has been divided in two different categories, that is, one is interior scale reading, one is external scale readings. We know when we have been just going to tracing the map, then at first here it's the needle points, it's a needle pin. It's all been focused and it is being needled to a bench or different kinds of area. It's being fixed to the instruments and it helps to rotate and circulates the instrument on the basis of their area in math. Here we just fix these pins. Here the ending conditions, the ending sections of a leading pin, it's be constructed and set by middle portions of the planimeters, and after that we have been started to go through the papers with the math with several kinds of the tracing and area in the several categories. Here, when the planimeter has been observed here, it should be focused in here. And after that, it will be classified in the needle points on the bench in different wooden sections, maybe some sponge sections, and we are being rotate the planimeters by the needle of these tracing points. Here, we are using a magnifying glass. That magnifying glass will help you to circulate the values to make observations for smaller to bigger. It is being enlarged the value of scale, maybe vernier constant, maybe consistency points, coincides, pinpoints should be enlarged by this prism. This is the focusing glass that provide you the value more bigger than that will be here in the scale. You have to tracing the pin on the paper 3 times and get the average value, and then you will be getting a value from table of planimeters. Here in the part of the value, in this is the box of planimeters, and here you have been observe a scale portion that is being chart that provide you the constant value, where the constant has been measured, the 26.62, the constant fact that provide the actual valuations. When you are tracing the planimeters and it is being traced on the 3 times, then you will get the average value of initial readings, and here you will getting the constant value of the standardized scale. You have to multiply the values and getting the final score, the final area, what will be the area in the final area measurement you will be get from that section. So here the planimeters, in Viva it is being used for the area measurement. Here using the vernier scale, here using the dialing frame for screws, here using the initial and 3 time sections of the area measurement value to provide the actual area. It is also being used to provide the reduction and enlarge the area when it will be gapped from several kinds of identity. Then use the planimeter to getting the final value of area in area measurements. You know, we have a lot of techniques like graphical methods, like stereosync methods. We know a lot of technique in graphical page, but here the instrumental section that provide you the actual value of the area in square kilometer or whatever that is being happening in different unit. But planimeter provides the simple way of learning of the area measurement that is used to getting the finalized value of geographical area. Thank you.